Have you thought about buying a house, but you don't know the first thing about doing it, and you don't know where to get the answers? Well, today you are in luck. Hi, I'm Leslie DeLuca. I'm a real estate broker. I help people buy and sell real estate right here on the beautiful Monterey Peninsula. So today I have picked up questions that I get over and over again from people, and I picked out a few of the ones that are most prevalent so that I can answer them. And if you have questions that I don't answer, feel free to message me. Go to my Facebook page and message me or email me. You'll have all of my information. So here's a few questions, and these three questions all are similar, so I'm going to read them all and kind of answer them all together. So Angel Z from Seaside asks, how do I find a good agent? And Jennifer S from Monterey says, why do I need a realtor? I can do it all by myself, right? And then somebody else wrote, John F from Monterey. When I look online and click the link for more information when I go on Zillow, I got somebody who knew nothing about the house. What's that about? So, first of all, how do I find a good agent? And do you need one? No, you do not need a real estate agent to buy or sell a house. You can do it all on your own. And today you can see houses online, you can stick a sign in your front yard. 15% of buyers cut the middleman out, 87% of buyers use a realtor, and that's according to the National Association of Realtors. So, how can you benefit from hiring one? Agents can often help you find more houses in your price range, and we have access to more properties than you do. We actually have properties that you don't see online. And why is that? Well, that's our business, right? So we know about properties that are going to come on the market. We know about properties that are on the market, but they're called private exclusives. I mean, some people have their houses on the market, but they don't want everybody to know. And so only people that know about them are the realtors and their colleagues and their clients. Those are called private exclusives. So if you have a realtor and a realtor knows what you want, they can get you in on those. Also, a good realtor, something I do, if they know what you want and where you want to live, they go and stock the neighborhood. A great agent will also provide education, and we have really excellent ninja negotiating skills. Most sellers are going to have an agent. And so if you are representing yourself as a buyer, those agents are going to eat you alive. We also have a wealth of information to offer you the tools you need to make the best decision. Oh, and do you like paperwork? We do it all for you. When you buy a house, the paperwork is unbelievable. And you might not understand it all. It's really mostly boilerplate stuff, but we take care of it all for you. We explain it to you, and then we just get your signature. Easy as pie. Oh, and the other thing, I'm free. If you're a buyer, I don't cost anything. So the sellers pay the buyer's agent and the seller's agent in California most of the time. Sometimes there's a different thing. So Angel Z asked, how do I find a good agent? The way to find a good agent is ask your friends, look at reviews online, and interview them, just like if you were hiring somebody to work for you, because it's essentially what you're doing. You want to make sure that this agent has a wealth of knowledge and neighborhood knowledge in the area that you want to do, because that way they will negotiate the best deal for you. As a seasoned professional, agents can know what you can buy in the area that's in your budget, and they know what constitutes a good deal, because in most of the neighborhoods here, every house on the block can be a completely different price, because that's just how the Monterey Peninsula is. You could have a house here that's $600,000 and the one across the street's $1 million because it has a view and because it's remodeled, but it's on the same street. And so it's very hard to determine why and how. And so we help you navigate through that. And there are reasons for all those things. If you want to negotiate yourself and you want to make decisions by yourself, you can do it by yourself. But a good agent, A, knows how to negotiate, knows the neighborhoods, knows the trends, will watch out for you and make sure you get the best deal and that you don't spend too much, because a lot of times people will get pre-approved for something and they buy too much. I make sure that we talk about your lifestyle and the big picture, because you don't want to buy a house and then in 6 months you see that you can't afford it. So you have to look at what you have now and what your expendable cash is. So we have to look at that, and a good agent will talk to you about those things. And a good agent will make sure that they talk to you about your lifestyle and what the house is, because a lot of times you will go into a house and emotionally say you love it, but it's impractical. And I personally will tell you, if you're my kid, I wouldn't let you buy that house. Or if you're my mom, you wouldn't live here. So you just want to have that rapport with somebody and make sure they have market knowledge and that they've been in the business and they know what they're doing, because it can be really tricky. And who you work with really matters. And this is a process when you buy a home that goes from one stage to the end. And I actually have a home buyer's guide that you can get on my website, or you can contact me and I will download it or send it to you so you can download it. But it goes from A to Z on how to buy a home.